Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video from other creators and have it and listen to it offline. So you won't need to use internet, for example, when you're traveling and so on and so forth. Maybe you want to save some podcast. So to do this, you want to go ahead on the video you want to download. And now, as you can see, there are buttons subscribe, like, dislike, and share. But if you don't see a download button, all you have to do is click these three dots and you will see a download button. Or you can also go ahead and make this wider, a browser wider, and click download. And after that, you will download this video with a premium. You want to start a trial. And after that, it will be saved to your library where you can actually watch your video. Or you can also just save it to any of your playlists, like a watch later, and watch it with your internet turned on. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.